Okay, this is 99 that I put a 2-inch leveling kit on. I found that the 97 through 2010 F250 leveling kit works. You can get those for literally 20 bucks on eBay. Go to Amazon, get your 3/4 by 10 8-inch long bolts. That's another $14, and then about $5 worth of hardened washers and nuts from Ace True Value. Got right at 37 in the rear. Six and a half up front. Used Rancho 5136 shocks. Rancho's okay, not my favorite. So anyhow, urethane spacer. A lot of people don't like urethane because it cracks. I like it because it's quiet. Used it a lot on my Jeeps. When it cracks, you can see it. 20 bucks, and 30 minutes you can change them out again. There's a bolt. Here's the factory nut. Same on that side. Did put new bushings in. Push-in bushings are a pain. I would go with the factory ones before I do that style again. In the rear, went with Monroe heavy-duty coilover shocks. They had about 400 pounds more resistance in back and lift the back about an inch. Another thing you can get off eBay for 100 bucks for two. The 5136 shocks I used up front, that was a little less than 80 bucks for two of those off eBay. But in the past, like I said, I've used Max Lift, and they charge 180 bucks for aluminum spacers and 2 bolts. Other spacers work and cost you a whole ton less. But that's it.